Hi guys, in today's episode I'm going to show you how to make two delicious quinoa porridge recipes. I know that most of you love porridge, probably love porridge, and you use oats to do that, but you can also use quinoa. Did you know that? Quinoa is naturally gluten-free and is rich in protein. It has a low glycemic index of around 53. 55 and below is considered low, meaning that it releases energy to your body slowly, keeping you satiated for longer. This is one of the main reasons that Incas used to eat quinoa, as it was associated with stamina. Obviously, this makes this ingredient a perfect partner to activities such as running. So what are you still waiting for? Go ahead and stock some of this beauty in your house. Oh, wait. Not now. Later, after you watch this video. Also, some of you mentioned that you're not sure how to use quinoa. You already bought it because you heard of its health benefits, you wanted to test it out, but you're not sure how to start, how to use these ingredients. This is a great way to actually incorporate it in your daily life. So before we go to the recipe, do hit the like button if you're enjoying it so far. Do subscribe if you're new to my channel, hit the notification bell so you're notified when I upload new videos, which is every week. And now let's get to the recipe. We're going to make two delicious recipes. One is a raspberry nut quinoa porridge and the other one is chocolate banana quinoa porridge. For our bases, we will need 150 ml of water, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 200 ml of nut milk. I'm using almond milk in this recipe, 100 grams of quinoa, 1 banana which we will mash. The ingredients in this recipe are super simple and potentially you have them already at your hand in your home, so definitely worth giving these recipes a go. Turn on the stove to medium heat and add your quinoa, nut milk, water, vanilla extract, and mashed banana. Silly me, I did not film the part of me mashing the banana and then adding it in, but trust me, it is there. I'm actually trying to show it here. Stir the ingredients and leave to cook for about 20 minutes or so. What you should be seeing is quinoa puffing, becoming soft and taking that porridgey texture. Stir more while it is cooking so nothing sticks to the bottom of your pan. Can you see that the quinoa has become a little larger? This means that we are heading in the right direction. Now we are just going to leave them to cook until all the liquid is absorbed. We do not want it to cook too much or it will become super dry. At this point, look at it, it is perfect. Turn off the stove and let's add our toppings. I think this is my favorite part. So the portion of quinoa we have prepared is for two. So we are going to add half of that to one bowl and keep the rest for the other. We will top this quinoa portion with raspberries. I'm using frozen ones as I have those available at the moment. You can use blueberries or strawberries instead, whatever you have available at the moment. Then I will add raw nuts, but you can go ahead and roast yours in the oven for 5 to 10 minutes for crunchier texture. I will also add a few pieces of dark chocolate, which will melt in a little bit within the porridge because of how hot the porridge is. And last but not least, I will sprinkle with tahini. And of course, you can use almond butter or peanut butter or any other nut or seed butter you like. And voila, a delicious breakfast. And it's sweet. Before we add all our toppings, we'll mix this portion of quinoa with either cocoa powder, which is what I'm doing, or you can use chocolate spread instead. Both are delicious. We'll use 3 toppings for this one, which are half a banana, so we'll slice a banana, add it on top as I'm showing. Crushed nuts or roasted nuts, it is up to you and your taste buds. And this is the awesome part. We will also add 1 tablespoon of honey. And yum, yum, they are so delicious. And I can't hear your thoughts on them actually. I can't wait for you to make them and let me know how they are. Comment below with any other recipes you would like me to make, you would like to see on this channel. I'd love to hear from you and interact with you. Thank you so much for being here, and feel free to like if you enjoyed this video, and also subscribe and hit the notification bell to be notified when I upload new videos. See you in the next episode.